King Najashi of Abyssinia wanted to spread Christianity. He saw how people from many countries went to visit the Kaaba for pilgrimage and so built a grand church in Yemen to attract them. The building was magnificent. People were dazzled by it. Yet people continued to go to the Kaaba for pilgrimage. One cold night, a trade caravan from Arabia passed through Yemen. The traders spent the night in a huge church. They lit a fire to keep themselves warm. However, the building caught fire. King Najashi was angry.
The Arabs have purposely destroyed my cathedral. Now I will destroy the Kaaba.
King Najashi appointed Abraha to lead his army. Abraha plundered many cities on the way to Makkah. He came across a herd of camels that belonged to Abdul Muttalib and took them too. Abraha camped just outside Mecca. One of his soldiers came to him and said,
"A man named Abdul Muttalib would like to see you. He says he is the chief of the tribe of Quraish."
"Let him in." "Please sit here. What is the purpose of your visit?"
"Your soldiers have captured my camels, and I have come to ask you to return them."
"Surely you know that I have come to destroy the Kaaba, the place that you respect and honor. Yet you ask me to return your camels instead of asking me to spare your precious Kaaba. I am the owner of the camels, therefore I have come to protect my herd. The Kaaba has an owner too, and he will protect his house himself."
Abraha was stunned to hear such a reply.
"Return the camels to him."
Abraha was still determined to destroy the Kaaba though. The next morning, Abraham marched with his army towards the Kaaba. As he got nearer to the Kaaba, a flock of birds appeared on the horizon. The birds carried pebbles in their beaks. They dropped stones from their beaks onto Abraha's army. The stones struck the soldiers and knocked them dead. Only one soldier survived. He fled to Abyssinia to tell the king what happened.
"Sire, I have news of the attack on the Kaaba." What happened? Where are the others? We were attacked by a flock of birds. A flock of birds? What nonsense is this? I am the only one who survived the ordeal. The birds were tiny. They threw stones at us. The stones hit our men and killed them immediately. Look, there's one of the birds now.
As soon as the soldier finished his words, the bird threw a pebble at him, which struck him down. The year this extraordinary event occurred is called the Year of the Elephant. It was in this very year that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born.